There's been occasions that my fiancée has accused me of snoring, yes. I've tried mouth tape. I've tried a little bit of tape over your nose, which sort of widens your nostrils, and to varying success. Like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, and I literally don't understand why, and it bothers me. I just said that.
You might need to work out where you are snoring from. Do you know if you're a nasal snorer, a tongue snorer?
Hey, look. You're not the first person to point out that I've got quite a sizable profile.
Zeus is a non-invasive anti-snoring device that sticks under your chin and stops you from snoring. It's a tongue and throat thing because most snoring is from the tongue and the throat. So it brings your tongue forward, but not so dramatically like because you're asleep.
Give me a snory thing then, please.